Hold up. Respectfully. Throw a little lotion on the nose. My shirt's a little dry. Feel me? Get a little water action. Feel me? Because what we about to watch, feel me? I need to wake up for this one. For me, it's a little different. I ain't behind the camera. For me, we starting off right in front of the camera, right in front of your face. Respectfully, y'all know who it is. You feel me? It's Sage P. Haas G's. And we back with another video. Respectfully, you feel me? I just want to show y'all a little something I got. Feel me? Yes, what that say? I can't even see. Well, hold on, let me see. Yeah, y'all see that? Gucci, for me. I will watch with these on, but I ain't gonna lie, respectfully. Make sure. I look mad nerdy, but nah, I ain't gonna lie. These, you feel me? These is reading glasses. Respectfully, if I wear these while watching this shit, I ain't gonna lie, I can't react to none. Shit, mad blurry, no funny shit. But respectfully, we reacting to 10 most disturbing things caught on doorbell camera footage. Shit already look creepy. They got It the Clown in the main screen. I don't know what's going on. Respectfully there. Oh, hold up. Respectfully, it's 3:20 a.m. For me, I'm watching this late night for y'all requested more scary videos. So that's what I'm doing. Hold up. Say hi, no. Yo, just nah, get down. Scratch me. No funny shit. Lucky I ain't toss a dumbass like a football. Nah, respectful. Let me turn this up. For me, I hope y'all ready to vibe out. Make sure you got y'all food ready. And we're gonna get into reaction. For me, not wasting no time. I wanna get this over with anyway. So 3, 2, let's get into it. Most disturbing things caught on Dell, but tell nigga move back though. I ain't gonna lie, he mad close. This nigga naked?
In this first video, this house's Ring doorbell captured a man walk up to the front door in the middle of the night. But rather than actually knocking on the door or ringing the doorbell, the man pretends to do so.
Now why I start hearing shit when I start watching
what's actually going on. Near the left side of the screen, a car's headlights can be seen.
Nah, this nigga grab his belly.
Whoever is driving the vehicle is
this nigga's
making
bugging.
this guy walk up and talk to the house owner for a seemingly sinister purpose, as the guy obviously doesn't want to do it. I mean, so much so that he fakes knocking on the door and even fakes a conversation with the house owner. All the while making sure the driver
stop rubbing your belly in front of me, Mo. Stop. What you about to do? Pause. He talks to himself the entire. Look at to see if the driver can see him.
Okay. Sorry about
The
that.
fuck?
Sorry.
So this nigga, so he's working for a
Fake
kidnapper or something?
conversation. It's clear the driver wants the man to look for someone named Matt.
Matt owe him money? If Matt owe him money, I respect that. I kidnap a nigga too for my money. I don't give a fuck if it's
the whole
$2.
situation and claim no Matt lived there. But to this day, the real motives of the driver are still unclear.
Nigga probably owe him some money in dice.
This footage features a random woman walking up to someone's front door. The woman clearly isn't acting normal, or at least until a car passes, where she breaks character so as not to draw attention to herself.
Now her shit a little
After the
wagging.
car is gone, the woman can be seen putting her face right up to the camera.
What the fuck? Fuck is you doing?
After watching the disturbing
Nah,
footage, the house owner would claim
Nah,
he
why
had
s-
no
nah,
idea who
hold
the
up.
woman was.
Why I sound like a snake over here? Fuck. Nah, man. Respect for you, nah. Real quick, yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, man. I gotta move from over here, man. Some shit watching me on me. But nah, respect for I ain't gonna lie. I knew y'all heard that thunder earlier, man. What if my mom thought we got nuked by Russia? That shit was crazy, I ain't even gonna lie. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was in World War One or some shit. Let's get back to the video though. Sure, you got the dumper though.
This doorbell camera video shows the horrifying early stages of a fire in a neighbor's property. As the video goes on, you can see as the fire gradually continues to grow.
Why your
So
walls?
much
Look at
so that
you got
it
a
eventually
doorbell
reaches the
camera with
house the
nasty
doorbell
walls.
camera. At the time
What
of
the
the fire,
fuck?
the house owner himself was asleep.
This nigga
He
got
would be
Freddy
woken up
Krueger
by multiple
walls.
notifications
Nah,
on his
man.
phone, claiming motion was
Why that shit
detected
like
by his
tree
doorbell
bark?
camera. After reviewing the footage, the house owner would frantically run to get a fire extinguisher and desperately attempt to put the fire out.
How the fuck that even happened? Oh, this nigga must be Aquaman. This nigga gonna say This nigga thought he was Aquaman. This I don't know who this nigga thought he was. The fiery red nigga from Fantastic Four. This nigga ran out shirtless and gonna say what you thought you was gonna do? Like these niggas be stupid, bro. This nigga wanted to get roasted. Like literally, the fuck. This nigga ran. Nigga said the fuck, nigga. What you expect, dickhead? The fuck? Oh, nah, niggas throwing Molotovs? Nah, niggas is bugging.
But after realizing it was too late, the house owner would escape through the house's back door.
Yeah, it was over,
It's
bro.
pretty safe to say that the motion-detected notifications that woke up the house owner saved his life that night.
I'm still on how this nigga ran out and said,
This video
Fuck was
captured
you going?
frantically knocking on this house's front door. As she continues to do so,
This the same
she can be
joint?
seen constantly looking behind her. And that's when you realize why. A man walks up to the woman and proceeds to grab her firmly, telling her to get into the car. All the while, the woman can be heard pleading for him to stop.
Nah, that's fucked up. That's her ex-boyfriend or something?
Please, no, please.
She said John? Why is always the niggas John? Why? Nah, hold on. Let's have a quick conversation. Why is always John? Why the nigga name always John not doing weird shit? Yo, Johns, what's up with y'all? Y'all ain't raised right? What food y'all eating, man? It's too much white bread in y'all, like pita bread and shit y'all eating. No funny shit. Like y'all niggas, John always doing, y'all niggas always doing something, bro. Like, come on, bro. I know a million Johns that's in jail right now. Not literally, but you know what I'm trying to say? I know it's mad Johns in jail.
The man in the video was later identified to be 20-year-old Victor Kucic, and he would ultimately
this
be
nigga name
charged
is
with
Victor.
third-degree
Look at him.
felony kidnapping.
It's looking like Nick Jonas. If Nick Jonas didn't become Nick Jonas. This nigga is hit. Like, nah, man. This is, nah. You need to go to jail. You ugly as shit. This nigga eyebrows connect to his
This ring
hairline.
doorbell starts off showing the house owner simply doing her laundry.
Nah, that shit a little.
Before she can
shit
even
a
enter
little,
the
shit a little
laundry
wagon.
room, she can be seen pausing, and the audio from the clip makes it clear as to why. a voice can be heard desperately pleading for help, though it's unclear as to where the voice is coming from.
Insidious?
Clearly disturbed, and worried it could have been someone hiding around her property, the woman would end up calling the police.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my ring video to make sure I wasn't
Hold on, she like she get mad good night.
was hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I
So,
can't.
well, I posted it on there.
The police would search the whole property, but find absolutely nothing. And to this day, it's still unclear whose voice was talking, or even where it was coming from. A woman living in an apartment complex had reported that she had been being stalked for months. Police would open an investigation, though there wasn't really too much they had to go off of. But that was until the woman's Ring doorbell caught the man approach the front door on a bike wearing a mask. The man would actually apologize for stalking the woman, though what he said next is pretty disturbing.
I'm sorry. Look in my day and sorry. Oh, God, I can't stop.
The fuck?
The man claimed he couldn't stop, which basically confirms this man is not mentally well, to the point where, unfortunately, he can't help himself. To this day, the woman still reports seeing the man at her apartment.
Nah, this nigga's bugged out. Unless her shit fat, even still, that's like,
Doorbell
what's wrong
camera
with y'all?
footage seems to have captured an almost transparent-looking figure walking across the house owner's property in the middle of the night. The figure looks to have no face, and
What
seems
the
to slowly
fuck?
become less visible as it continues to move.
Nah, what is that?
Audio from the video reveals the noise of very faint footsteps.
Nah, niggas found the ogre or some shit. The fuck? But my mom, that shit.
After reviewing the footage and examining around the property, the house owner found nothing out of the ordinary.
Nah, that gotta be Bigfoot or
It's still
something.
unclear what exactly was caught on video that night. The owner of this house would wake up to a notification on his phone telling him motion was detected at his front door. And after reviewing the footage, this is what he found. There was an old woman with a knife just standing at his front door, constantly shifting her body weight from side to side. The woman can be seen awkwardly holding and looking at the knife, as well as constantly glancing all around her.
Nah, this bitch chanting a ritual? Fuck is she doing? Nah, why she like the bitch from Conjuring? The one that go into dreams to get the people out? Or Insidious?
After a few more seconds, the woman finally attempts to ring the doorbell, but seemingly can't bring herself to do it for whatever reason.
Yo, don't do drugs, kids. You look like this bitch. This bitch like I wrote to my mom, I thought she was a Michael Myers mask. This bitch like a mask. This bitch ugly as shit. Nah, this bitch playing on my computer?
And after 2 minutes of footage, it cuts off. It's still unclear who this woman was, or what caused her to walk up to a stranger's front door wielding a knife. After hearing his doorbell go off, this San Diego house owner would look at his doorbell camera through his phone, and the camera revealed it.
This nigga found Men in Black. This nigga why this nigga like an Area 51 worker? No funny shit. This nigga got on the FBI shades, the Men in Black shades, with the mean baldy. Well, I'm lucky to open the door. What's that? That's the Jeepers Creepers shit? The fuck is that wombat? Nah, mo, that shit got a 20-foot wingspan. Nah, Yao Ming? Fuck. There's a lot going on in this crib.
The supposed door-to-door salesman waiting outside.
Would you open the door for this
The house
nigga?
owner decided to confront the man with the doorbell speaker, and that's when the salesman.
This
claimed
nigga
he
might
was
have
looking for
a, this
Robinson's
nigga might have,
residence
the
at
glasses might have a
712,
flashbang in them.
which was not the house he was at. After being informed of this, the salesman would politely apologize for the mix-up.
This is the Robinson's residence at 712?
No, you're at the wrong house. This is 721.
Oh, I apologize for that.
Suspicious of the encounter, the house owner would send the footage to the local police department, who disturbingly confirmed that this exact man was suspected of breaking into at least 19 homes and impersonating a salesman to do so. The man has yet to be caught by police.
The fuck?
Likely taking place during the whole killer clown craze
Oh,
of
no, I'm
2016, this Ring doorbell caught the exact moment someone dressed in a clown costume walked up to its front door. The person can be seen tilting their head and slowly walking up to the door, almost the whole time staring directly into the camera. While it's most likely just someone trying to scare people, there's a small chance something a lot more sinister is going on here.
This nigga got the gut poking out through this costume. This nigga gotta be bored with his life. This nigga gets no action. This nigga's a bozo. Nah, Mo.
To this day, it's still unclear whether the house owner experienced anything further regarding the situation.
Man, well, that was a late calm video. You get what I'm saying, man? It wasn't nothing scary. I mean, it did say disturbing for me. Yo, make sure, yo, bro, if y'all want me to watch scary shit, like for me, top 10 scary shit, 'cause a lot of this shit I'm realizing, bro, I don't know if it's because I'm older, bro. Like, this shit don't be scary, bro. Like, I don't know what they did with all the scary videos. You get what I'm trying to say? Like, it does say top 10 scary videos right here. So I don't know. I may do this tomorrow. I'm gonna do this. If this get 25 likes, I'll do this top 10 scary ghost videos to cry yourself to sleep. For me. But now definitely make sure y'all send me videos so I could react to, you get what I'm saying, that y'all want to see. Before I drink, just like, comment, subscribe. For me, I love y'all. Respectfully, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Come here. Y'all already know the routine.